Welcome to Sajeelsarwartv, your space for peace, calm, and healing. Let's begin this journey inward together. This is your time, a moment to let go, to relax, and to reconnect with your true self. Find a comfortable position. You may sit or lie down. Just be still and gentle with yourself. And now, softly close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment, and slowly breathe out through your mouth. Again, you breathe in deeply, hold, and exhale fully. Let go of any tension. Let go of all thoughts. This moment is yours. Now, bring your awareness to your body. Start from the feet. Feel them relax. Now your legs. Let them become heavy and peaceful. Relax your stomach. Let it rise and fall gently with your breath. Now your chest, feel it open. Feel it soften. Let go of any tightness in your shoulders. Feel your arms go loose. Your hands light and soft. Fingers calm and still. Relax your jaw, your cheeks, your eyes. Let your whole face melt into ease. Now, imagine yourself in a peaceful place, a quiet forest, or by the ocean at sunrise, or lying in soft grass under a clear sky. Feel the air on your skin. Hear the gentle sounds. Let yourself stay here in peace. Pause for 30 to 60 seconds of silence or soft background music. Now slowly return your focus to your breath. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Gently wiggle your fingers. Move your shoulders slightly. Take one last deep breath in. And as you exhale, softly open your eyes. You are calm. You are present. You are at peace. Thank you for meditating with Sajeelsarwartv. May peace and light stay with you, always.